Alright guys, this is my budgie here. He's really cool, his name is Lightbulb, and of course he speaks on, well, usually any budgie can speak, can't it? Yeah, can't it? Can't it?
No.
Oh, alright, no. I'll let him speak. Hey guys, this is Lightbulb and Budgie. You know, I'm right here. I'm probably gonna be worldwide famous in like 2 minutes, so let's make this quick. I'm just about to buy this epic mansion for all my bird friends. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. And wait, you're recording this? Wait, get that thing out of here. Get that. No. Stop this video. Stop this video now. Stop this video. Stop this video. Better just roll with it. Well, as I was saying, I've got an epic mansion, as you can see over there. Yeah, it's amazing. It's got its own bridge. You know, it's pretty cool, man. We're also gonna go to the beach to do some surfing. Well, I don't surf, I'm a bird. Well, goodbye. I thought you were gonna stop it. Well, it's kind of awkward. I kind of said stop the video, but that's fine, I guess. So, alright, can you really get that thing out of my face now? Please, please. I don't want to be famous. I've got enough money. Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, come on. Don't touch me like that. I'm not a puppy. I'm a bird. I'm free, you know? I got a face like Chuck Norris. I drive cars. I get fed seeds every day, so no, stop. I told you, I'll tell you again, I'm not a dog, okay? Well, my friend just told me who's got the camera right up to my face. It's gonna be going on for a while. Well, my friend's calling me, so pick me up, y'all. Let's go. Let's go on a little trip. Come here. Oh, yeah. I feel the light now.
You want to see the car what I brought?
Oh, damn. Ready? Can I get that car, please? No. Looks pretty snazzy. Oh, damn. I need those wheels.
No, look at that.
I know, man.
That's so good power. Hey. Watch this. I'll take this one out for a spin.
What are you doing here? What?
Watch this go out for a spin.
I'm just trying to tell you, get this thing out of my face. I told you, and I'll tell you again. Get that thing.
Look how good power it is.
I told you to get this thing out of my face. Now pick me up, please, and get me out of here. No,
look how good power
I'm trying to get off.
Ollie, look.
Alright, here I am.
Ollie, look how good power
I'm in the crib, you know. Oh, again. I want this thing out of my face. I want this thing out of my face. You instead, I'm going to whack it. Bam, bam.
If you can't do it, I will do it myself. Turn this camera thing off.
I don't know this place.
Did you see how...
Oh, no, I'm about to fall off. Alright.
That's how good that car is.
Sorry about it.
I am the bird worshipper. Please, I want to see him. He's here. He's here.
Well, listen.
Leave me alone. Leave me. Okay, I'll just go to the cameraman and yeah. My voice is changing. Alright. I told you, Oliver McCog, Do not touch me! Don't touch me. My good friend cameraman will get you up.
Okay.
The bird will. Lapo! No, Lapo. Get up. I really can't see your face because I'm on the camera. I'll throw the bird on you.
Look at
Oliver, Macaco will throw the bird on you. Oh, that's just disgusting.
I'm alive! Thanks to you, my feathery friend. I am alive. Stop.
I tell you to get that thing out of my face.
I'm just trying to save this man.
You're not even a man at the moment.
Alright, I'll get up now.
Yes, get up, Oliver. Mika. Donk. Let's go out into the lighter pieces of heaven. Heaven. Or nothing here would be that light. No. That room is Oliver's room. This room is my brother's room. That's why it's got a lock on it, because my brother's a banshee. And this room is my room, and
Yes, I'm trying to open it.
the legendary.
I'm trying to open it.
Oliver, isn't this the legendary toilet? Is this the legendary toilet?
Ollie, do you like the out?
No. This is a legendary white bathroom. Everything in here is white. No.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Unfortunately, this is the end of this video. We hope you enjoy it, and hopefully we can get how many likes, Oliver and Mr. Lightbulb? What does Mr. Lightbulb say? Mr. Lightbulb says, hopefully, wait.
Hopefully you'll get that thing out of my face.
That's just Ollie talking.
Oh, Mr. Featherface. Shouldn't have been that.
Oh, Ollie.
How many likes did he tell you, Oliver?
Don't come in there, Ollie.
What did he say?
Ollie,
How many likes did he tell you?
Ollie.
Well,
Ollie. Here.
3 million.
3,000, Oliver.
3 million. Do you want to see my car?
Guys, it's 3,000 likes because
I didn't pass my maths degree.
Okay. Guys, unfortunately that's the end of
Ollie,
this
do you want
video. We hope you enjoy it, and goodbye. Oliver, say goodbye. Mr. Featherface, say goodbye.
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 Do you like my
Goodbye, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.